So the first beehive on York campus is really significant for two reasons. I think firstly because it's the culmination of a passion of a small team of people who've really made it happen. Secondly is because of what it means in terms of raising awareness and bringing people proactively into the role that bees can play in biodiversity and in our sustainability journey. Nestlé as an organisation is essentially a food and beverage company at the heart, and therefore agriculture plays a really important role, and therefore bees as pollinators are critical to that.
When Nestlé gave me the opportunity to become a beekeeper, it's really exciting. When you start seeing how they work, how they operate, it's incredible. The way in which they divide the tasks, the way in which you understand how much time it takes them to collect a tablespoon of honey, it just makes you respect their work much more and understand their contribution to environment because of the pollination they do, because of the different activities they get involved with. So it's incredible.
So in research and development, we're always looking for cool new things to do with ingredients. So actually this is really exciting as well, because we're going to take our very own honey and hopefully turn it into some really exciting products.
They are fantastic creatures, and it's mesmerizing the things they do. If everyone became a beekeeper, that would be amazing.